Information security is not set and forget. Here's how you can stay on top of emerging threats and risks relevant to your business. How do I implement and manage an information security framework? Information security is not set and forget. It's important to stay proactive and understand how your program is combating emerging threats. To help manage this, it's important to ensure that you've documented the relevant roles and responsibilities of information security within your business as well as with your clients. If you're starting from square one, ensure that you've got buy-in from your business. This is crucial as an information security framework should be built to enable the business to achieve its objectives. Now that we've got our business buy-in, let's start with a risk assessment. This will help you understand the current state of your controls, identify where the weaknesses exist in your assets, and help you prioritize what you need to focus on and address to uplift your cybersecurity capabilities. Where aligning to an information security framework helps with this is that you have a list of predefined controls that you can refer to quickly rather than having to start from scratch. So you've identified your risks and you've used your framework to find suitable controls to address them. What's next? It's ensuring you stay proactive in managing your risks, ensuring your controls are working as expected, and reporting to your stakeholders on the effectiveness of these controls. But it doesn't stop there. When it comes to managing an information security framework, you should be aiming for continual improvement. Continue to conduct risk assessments across your assets. Engage in activities such as audits, pen tests, and periodic reviews to help ensure that your information security framework is functioning as intended. When you identify a control that is not working, don't panic. Identify why the control has failed, implement the changes you need to make to get it back to operational, and test the control later down the line to ensure that it's functioning as intended. So there you go. Managing information security is an ongoing effort, so make sure that you take the time to build out the processes and activities to stay on top of the threats and risks that could affect your business. Stay cyber safe.